welcome to Technia TV. I am Jia with you. Let's begin today's top 10 news bulletin with the biggest national and international updates of the day. Amid growing concern over on-screen marking, CBSE has provided major relief to students. The board has reduced the fee for rechecking and viewing answer sheet to just ₹100. Earlier, students had to pay between 500 and 700 for this process. The Central Board of Secondary Education has made it compulsory for class 9 students to study 3 languages. Out of these, 2 must be in Indian languages, while 1 may be a foreigner language. According to a circular issued on May 15, the rule will come into effect from July 1, 2026. However, the third language will not be included in the class 10 board examination. Kerala has got a new Chief Minister. Congress leader V.D. Satheesan took oath at Central Stadium in Thiruvananthapuram. Several MLAs were also sworn in as ministers. After the ceremony, Rahul Gandhi congratulated him and senior leaders including Priyanka Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge attended the event. Ahead of the Panchayat elections, the Uttar Pradesh government took major decisions in its first cabinet meeting. Approval was given for forming a dedicated backward class commission to determine OBC's reservations. The Lucknow Metro's new corridor received clearance and returning students' internship stipend was increased to 12,000 rupees per month. Heavy selling pressure was seen in the stock market on Monday morning. The Sensex dropped more than 800 points in early trade, while the Nifty slept below 23,400. Overall market pressure remained high with only the IT sector showing slight resilience. During the third phase of his 5-nation tour, Prime Minister Narendra Modi was honored with Servian highest civilian award, the Royal Order of the Polar Star Commander Grand Cross in Gothenburg on May 17, 2026. This prestigious award is given to heads of government, and with this, Prime Minister has received a total of 31 international honors so far. Residents of Delhi NCR have received another inflation shock as CNG prices have increased again. The price has gone up by ₹1 per kg. Earlier prices were increased by ₹2, making CNG ₹3 costlier within 3 days. The new price in Delhi stands at ₹80.09 per kg. The National Highways Authority of India has invited application for 60 deputy manager positions. The recruitment will be conducted through direct selection, possibly including interviews or examinations. This offers a great career opportunity for engineering and technical professionals. In today's IPL match, 5-time champion Chennai Super Kings will face Sunrisers Hyderabad at Chepauk Stadium in Chennai. Both teams will compete strongly to secure their standing. Hyderabad currently holds third place with 14 points from 12 matches, including 7 wins and 5 losses. According to meteorologists, Delhi is likely to experience western winds carrying intense heat from desert regions of Balochistan and Rajasthan. Due to low humidity levels, people may feel extreme heat conditions. Pre-monsoon activity is expected soon in the region. That's all for now. Stay tuned to Technia TV from every news update. Goodbye.